Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect with Zazzle affiliate program, detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by visiting the Zazzle affiliate program website. Create an account on the Zazzle platform if you do not already have one. Complete the registration form with your personal information. Check your email for a verification link from Zazzle and click on it. Log into your newly created account. Navigate to the affiliate program section on the website. Read through the program details and requirements thoroughly. Click on the Sign Up button to apply for the affiliate program. Fill out the application form, providing necessary information such as your website or social media links. Specify how you plan to promote Zazzle products. Submit your application and await approval from the Zazzle team. Once approved, log back into your Zazzle account. Access the affiliate dashboard to find your unique affiliate links. Explore the various products and categories available for promotion. Choose the products that align with your audience's interests. Generate your affiliate links for the selected products. Incorporate these links into your content, whether it be a blog, video, or social media post. Monitor your affiliate performance through the dashboard. Keep track of your earnings and conversions over time. Consider testing different promotional strategies to see what works best. Stay updated with Zazzle's promotional materials for affiliates. Engage with the affiliate community for tips and support. Continue to refine your approach to drive more traffic to your links. With persistence and creativity, maximize your earnings with the Zazzle affiliate program. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.